Soul body is considered to be the body that is intrinsically your authentic nature, and it resides in the heart. And when we transition, when we die, when the pranic body leaves the physical body, the soul body exits through the crown as it's encapsulated by the subtle body. So it is our infinite nature, and it is our direct connection to infinity, as well as the journey. You're feeling, oh man, I'm just not comfortable being vulnerable or dealing with adversity, or I just feel like I'm disconnected from source, from my sense of authenticity. A very powerful meditation involving the mantra Ek Ong Kar. Really, really effective to bring you back into harmonious relationship and balance with your root chakra, which affects all the systems, as well as your soul body. And we only do it 3 times. It has a real specific posture and mudra. Super, super powerful. So we'll begin with tuning in Om Namo Gurudev Namo 3 times. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Holding the breath, squeezing the body, relaxing, and then we'll create our secondary mantra to surround ourselves with the light of truth. Adagade Name, Jugadagade Name, Satagade Name, Siddhigurudeve Name, Adagade Name, Jugadagade Name, Satagade Name, Siddhigurudeve Name, Adagade Name, Jugadagade Name, Satagade Name, Siddhigurudeve Name. Inhale. Holding the breath, squeezing at the root, lifting the energy up, encouraging the Kundalini to activate. Press the tongue to the roof of the mouth and relax. Feeling fully present, fully engaged with all of the energies, all of your physicality. And grateful to the light team that's always present with us. Satnam. Okay, beautiful. I'm going to turn around because I want to show you in the back of my head how this mudra needs to be placed. It's really important. We're going to use the Saturn finger, which is the energy of the root chakra and your earth element in the hands. We're going to place the tips of the Saturn fingers together. And then you place your hands so that the tips, the little fingers rather, rest at the base of the skull. And then the rest of the fingers are going to just be resting on the neck. You'll cover your ears with your palms and stretch your elbows way out. So it looks like this. And as I mentioned, we only chant this mantra 3 times. And you want to chant it very, very powerfully. So it's EK, and then ONG, and then KAR. And what's happening is we want to feel this vibration coming up from the root, Ek, which means 1. And then Om, we want to feel this blast out, Om. And as we're doing that, we want to press the tongue to the roof of the mouth. And then Kar, it goes up into the head and fountains out. And then comes down. And then once more, we do it again. Ek, Om Kar. So I'm just using my hands as a visual of how you want to visualize the energy flow going. Maybe you'll have a little bit of a different experience with that. All right, let's come into the mudra. Eyes closed, roll them up. Seat yourself so where your spine is really lengthened. Your chest is lifted, your chin is drawn in just slightly. Eyes are at the 3rd eye point. And we're going to strongly chant. Inhale. Ek Om Kar. Ek Om Ik. Ong Kar. Now take a deep breath in and hold the breath and press the tongue as hard as you can on the roof of the mouth and hold. Exhale. Just relax. Integrate that. It's very powerful. When you're pressing your tongue to the roof of the mouth that way, you're consolidating all the 84 meridian points to strongly activate the pituitary and pineal glands simultaneously. The pituitary gland is the command post of all the glandular system. It really activates all the guardians of your health and starts to spin the pineal gland to bring your sun energy very much online, improving your vitality, your intuitive awareness. A lot going on in that very short period of time. Good. Okay, beautiful. Let's bring our hands into prayer mudra, and we'll chant one long sat and a short nam. Sat nam. Sat nam. This concludes our practice of working with the soul body and the root chakra. I am Melanie Mataji. Sat nam.